Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set the coordinates window on the MapMaker application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Go to the three lines at the upper left corner of the screen, and in the help and feedback section go to the first option, the settings, and in the display section you can find the second option, the coordinates window, and you can select two options, the contextual and the always, and just select one and click that, and done. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.